Today we're making an American classic side dish that has roots in the South. Howard shows us how to make spoon bread in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With the holidays right around the corner, we've been going through our recipes and setting aside ones that we think would be a huge hit on your holiday table. One that we retested recently that got a double thumbs up is a recipe that we first came across when we taped some shows in Colonial Williamsburg. It's an old-fashioned spoon bread, and boy, is it easy. We start by simmering some milk and water in a saucepan. To that, we add some cornmeal, a bit of butter, a little sugar, and some salt. After this thickens up, we take it off the heat. While that sits for a sec, we beat a few eggs with some baking powder until it's light and fluffy. Then we stir the eggs into the cornmeal mixture, and when it's well mixed, we pour it into a baking dish. This gets baked for 45 minutes or so until the top is golden and the whole thing sort of puffs up. That's it. Now all you have to do is spoon up this classic colonial side dish along with the rest of your holiday favorites. Yup, that's why they call it spoon bread. The recipe for our old-fashioned spoon bread is online now, so you can add it to your holiday lineup. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an all-American way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.